Hey guys, welcome to my channel, Everyday Tech Reviews. We talk about everything tech that we use every day, such as PCs, mobile devices, and everything in between. And today we're going to be talking about my PC rig here that I built, and also to kind of talk about my frustration, because this thing right here almost ruined everything. So we're going to be going over everything from the parts that were put into the computer and also the monitors I'm using, and as well as the keyboard and the mouse and the controllers and the desk and how everything was set up. So let's go ahead and get started with that. Alright, so we're going to start off with my triple monitor setup right here. These are three BenQ BL2420T monitors. I believe that's the name of the model number. If it's wrong, I'll go ahead and put it in the video. Also, I have right here, this is actually brand new. This is my Logitech Brio 4K camera, webcam, sorry. And I can actually do a review on that pretty soon. What we have here is I have my PS4 controller that's connected to my Bluetooth dongle. I don't know why, if that's even a thing now, people say, but it's connected to my computer. I have the Bluetooth thing on connected to my keyboard, which is a Apex SteelSeries keyboard. And we have the Logitech G502 wired gaming mouse. And for the audio, I have the Logitech Z5500 surround system. Alright guys, going back right here next to the tower, I got an HTC Vive, and I have my G533 headphones from Logitech. Hopefully this was focused in correctly. And I even have my drones right here. So, yeah, that's basically all the peripherals I have right now. And oh, I also have a Logitech G25 steering wheel setup, which is stashed away in the desk right there. It's a little bit of a mess. I'm still kind of working on fixing up after installing the RGB strip, which, oh, by the way, this is it right here. I installed it back behind my desk. Got it off of Amazon for like 20 bucks, a 6.5 foot. It has like a little device to it. You can even change it with your phone. It has different types of mode. It's pretty cool. I'll have to do a video on that eventually. Oh yeah, guys, before I forget, my triple monitor setup is actually a Vivo triple monitor stand from Amazon, and it's actually $60. A friend of mine recommended it, and I cannot complain anything about it. So I would highly recommend, if you guys are going for a triple setup. I believe there's another one for dual monitors for you guys that have it. I would say check it out. It really cleans up the desk space a lot. You can see a lot of wires back there, but you know, obviously that's to be that's obviously gonna happen. So, but yeah, I would recommend it, to be honest. Alright guys, here's the tower, and here I will give you guys the list of parts here on the slideshow that's coming up. Basically, this is a build I've been wanting to do for a long time. It's actually way overdue from my last build. My last build was actually from 2013. It was an FX 8350 setup with an R9 390. So I kind of want to get something a lot better, and I was obviously a lot, you know, just behind times. It was showing its age. Like, you can tell right away through the newest games, through photography, because I do a lot of photography, and even some videos. So I decided to build this thing, and I am really happy with it. So right now what I have here is an Intel i7 8700K. It is a delidded one. I actually got it delidded by Remus PC here in Las Vegas. I will go ahead and leave a link to his channel on Twitch and YouTube on the description in this video. Also, for cooling, I have the NZXT Kraken X62. It's a 280mm radiator. It does excellent. It's pretty cool RGB features here. For the motherboard, we have the Asus F Gaming Z370 motherboard. It's similar to the E Gaming, except it just doesn't have the Wi-Fi stuff on it. And for the RAM, as you guys can see here, hopefully the camera can pick it up, it is the newest Corsair Vengeance Pro RGB memory. It is 3200 megahertz with 32 gigs. I went with the white one. There's a black one too. I went with the white one because I want to give it more contrast to my build. And the graphics cards, as you guys can see, is the EVGA 1080 Ti for the Win 3. If you guys are wondering what this is here, it's actually an EVGA power, I believe a power strip or power cord. I'll put it right there in the video. You guys will know what I'm talking about. So for the power supply, I have an EVGA Supernova 850 watt G2, and for the case, it's an NZXT H700i. So it's a premium mid-tower case. It's pretty popular. I'll see a lot of people with these builds. I kind of want to get one myself. I actually had a Corsair Omega RGB. Cool looking case. It didn't have a really good airflow whatsoever. Yeah, as you guys can tell, you guys are probably looking at it like, is it the same thing? Actually, I actually have a little bit better results in temperatures. As you can tell, Coffee Lake does run hot. So I had better results with this case, so I ended up going with this one. And you guys can see here, these RGB strips are actually not stock, obviously. This is actually the Corsair Lighting Node Pro. And I added this for both sides, as you guys can see from the earlier shots, just to kind of give it a lively look to it. And obviously, the included NZXT strips here. Alright, for storage. So for storage, I have the M.2 Samsung 860 EVO. It's a 250 gigabyte. For my first SSD, I have a Samsung 850 EVO, 250 gigabytes. For the Toshiba, I have that one. It's 120 gigabytes. And for the mechanical drives, I have a 4 terabyte blue Western Digital and a 1 terabyte Western Digital black. So I need the space because, again, I do a lot of media creation, like I said, photography. Now I'm getting back into YouTube. Gotta make some room for videos, and I do play a lot of games. So this is more than what I'll need for a long time. Well, I just found out it's actually the 970 EVO. That was my bad on my part for telling you guys it was the 960. It was actually the 970 EVO. I even looked on my computer to make sure it's the right thing. My apologies, guys. Like I said, I had a long day. Again, I had to record it. Right now it's like 10:13, and getting back to YouTube, it's getting harder, So trying to make videos, and then when something like a corrupted file from this little thing, yeah, literally. So what happened was, as soon as I started finishing everything up, I took the card out, put it in, and it won't read. So I put it back into the camera. It wouldn't read anymore. It just completely, I don't know, it corrupted on me. I tried to reformat it. It just, even beforehand, I was really upset. But again, that's the risk you take. So luckily I had an SD card on the side I can just put in and record now. So I'm gonna wrap up this video. But anyways, guys, if you guys have any questions about this build, or if you want to, or if you want me to review anything, like any item here that you guys see, please comment, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe to my channel for future content. Follow my Snapchat, Twitter, and Instagram handles on the screen. There's also links down in the description below. Also, check out Remus PC. Like I said, excellent guy. He the one who delivered my 8700K. If you're in the Las Vegas area, go ahead and hit him up. You can even mail it to him. I've seen people from different places. He even told me that people from different places mail him the CPU and the i7s and stuff like that he'd be working on, and he gets it deleted and perfect results. So go ahead and check him out. Once again, guys, it's a long day, frustrating day. So I'm gonna go ahead and head on out, and I'll catch you guys later.